provides a time-bound process to resolve insolvency among companies and individuals. Insolvency is the situation where an individual or company is unable to repay their outstanding debt. In light of the COVID-19 crisis, the World Bank identified two key challenges for an insolvency framework. One, need to prevent otherwise viable firms from prematurely being pushed into insolvency. This is more important. To push some company which is competent enough to run the business prematurely for insolvency, that will be prevented by this. Secondly, increase the number of firms that will not survive the crisis without resolution of insolvency. In fact, there are two amendments which have been taken, which are being taken in this bill. One is regarding under section 7, 9, 10 of the IBC, creditors of the company. All these clauses are being suspended to prevent companies from being pushed into insolvency, which is just now I said it. Insertion of section 10, that is more important, which states that the application of CIRP cannot be filed for any default arising on or after 25th March 2020 for a period of 6 months or such a further period, not exceeding 1 year from March 25, 2020, as may be notified in this behalf. The ordinance further clarifies that no proceeding can ever be initiated for defaults occurring during this period, which are now incorporated in this bill now. Then this most important 66(2). The 66(2), there is one section has been incorporated now, section 3, to the section 66 of the code after section 66(2). The ordinance protects the director or partner of the corporate debtor from proceeding being initiated against them for wrongful trading relating to a default occurred during the specified period starting from March 2020. So both these amendments are welcome amendments, and I think in this pandemic situation, government has taken a right step while issuing the ordinance and now bringing up the bill. I welcome the bill, but at the same time, I'll request some of the companies, I have experience which one, when there was a possibility of protecting the employees also, they forcibly impose VRS to them and shut it out from the company, and now they will proceed further. That care has to be taken first, and otherwise the bill is good. I welcome the bill. Thank you so much, ma'am.